Okay, so this is the Meta Quest 2, and it is probably the best budget VR headset till this day. So if you want to buy a VR headset, you don't know what to buy, and you don't have a high budget, I recommend the Meta Quest 2. If your budget is not low, you can buy the Meta Quest 3. It is a lot more expensive. It is for $630, the Meta Quest 3, but this Meta Quest 2 is only $360. So of course the Meta Quest 3 is better. It's more expensive and it is newer. It also have AI in it, which this Meta Quest 2 don't. So if you want to play a game with AR, Meta Quest 3 is the VR headset you have to buy. But if you don't care about AR, don't want to play that anyway, I highly recommend buying the Meta Quest 2 if you just have a low budget, because it is really good still. Maybe not the best, but still good enough. And I can say that it is good because I have used it for many months now. It's just good for gaming. So the weight of this thing is 500 grams, which is well, it's lighter than the Meta Quest 3, but I still think it is quite heavy because you're wearing it on your head, and all of the weight is going forward because the only thing holding the Meta Quest back is the strap. No weight in the back, all the weight is just in the front of your head. So it would be nicer if they could make a future headset that's lighter in the front and also have some weight in the back of the head. This thing got 128 gigabytes of storage. You can also buy it with more storage, but that's gonna be more expensive. So if you don't need so much storage, buy the one with 128 gigabytes of storage. It's completely fine with 128 gigabytes storage. One downside to this thing though is it only got the color white. You got the color white, you can only get the headset with the color white. You can't get a black headset, you can't get a blue, you can't get any color other than just white. So it would be nice if they could start making headsets in different colors. Shout out to Meta. And I think that's it. You also get these controllers, which is nice for gaming. If you don't need gaming, just need to be productive, you can buy the Apple Vision Pro, but it is quite expensive. So only buy it if you have if you don't really have a budget, you just don't care how expensive it is. The Apple Vision Pro, sorry, is a good VR headset, even though Apple don't want to call it a VR headset. It is still a VR headset. But that's it. Buy the Meta Quest 2 if you're on a low budget and you still want to get into VR gaming. It's fun.